So in previous video, I promised that I would talk about the pagination or paginator. So what is a paginator? So before that, I want to say that I have some articles here added, like we have total 7 articles. So, and because when we use this paginator, we need more articles. Okay, here is the documentation and I have an article here. So I can show the paginator here, like you have seen something like this in some websites, like news website or articles website or list of user when you have or something like that. So for example, you want to have some like 10 articles in the first page or 2 articles in the first page, or you have thousands of articles, like thousands of products. So you cannot have all of them in first page or on the in the home page. So you have to divide and you have to like show like 5 articles, 3 articles, like 4 articles in the first page, like this in the second page, and all that. You can have pagination like this. Okay, in the documentation and the Django documentation, we see what is a pagination. Okay, it tells that Django provides some very nice paginator. Okay, what is actually paginator here and what it does? Okay, it says that you have to import this paginator from the spot, and you have some objects and you can use, and you have something like some methods like count method, like number of pages, and many other, like has previous or has other pages like this. And here is how we can use that. So there is a very great example we are seeing here, like using paginator in a view function. How we can use, like we want to import this and we have something like this contact list, and we have like some pagination, paginator, and like all of them. Okay, let's use. First of all, I want to import this part. Okay, I want to import this paginator, and here mentioned that you have the list of contacts. Well, I want to have this. Instead of list of contacts, I want to have articles articles list. Okay, so instead of this, I want to have this part instead of contacts. Okay, it's clean. Now I want to have the paginator, like what it does. Let me show you like this. I have the paginator. Paginator will be like contact list. Instead of this contact list, I want to have this articles list, and instead of this well, 25, because I have very limited articles here, that's why I want to have 3. And there will be something like, well, page number. I want to have this page number as well. Okay, instead of this page number, I want to have the page. Just name it as page, and everything else will be the same. And let's copy and paste this part as well. I want to have, instead of this, I want to have the articles, and paginator will get the page, this part. Okay, it's clean and nice. So instead of this part, I want to have the articles. It works very nice. Okay, everything is clear now. Now we can see how we can work on this. When I refresh, see 3 articles I can see here. For example, I want to have the second page. Okay, just focus here, first article, second and third. So when I have the second page, I must have like well, the 4th article. Okay, I want to have here like slash question mark, page will be like 2, and page 2 it starts from 4th article, 5th article, and the 6th article. Okay, I want to have like 3 again, and the 1 article is left here. So it means it works very, very nice. So we have the view here completed. Now I want to have here, like I want to make it as previous thing. Like we have here older posts. Okay, now we should have 2 buttons here. Like one is like new and the other is previous, next or previous. Now in, well, in home.html, you can see here pager. In the pager pod, I want to like copy and paste it here. So now I can see 2 buttons. One will be like, and I have this like older post, and both of them are same. New, previous. Okay, here is older. I want to refresh this, new and previous. Okay, now just don't focus on anything else. I just want to have like some conditions here. I want to have a condition if articles dot as what will be as new, as next, like it should be next. I think article has next, show this, and if, and if articles dot as previous, so then have this, and if. Okay, this logic is very nice, but let's refresh this, because there is not previous article. We are in the first page. Now for example, if you want to have like the page 3, it's previous because it doesn't have any next. Okay, instead of this 3, we want to have the second. The second will have both previous and the next as well, both of them. It has the both, the previous also and the next also. Okay, let's see the, well, the link of them. It does not have any link. When I click on any of them, it doesn't work. Okay, here I want to see the link, how the link will work. Okay, the link will be URL, and the URL will have like blog, home, because this is the home route. Okay, in the home we want to have the, here after this part, I want to have the page as assigned. Okay, the page will be like articles dot, okay, here next, it has the next we have seen here as previous page number. Okay, for example, has previous page number. Well, as next page number, I think it can be next, it will be next page number. Okay, and this link I want to have the previous page number. URL, blog, home, I think it will be question mark, and page as assigned to, well, articles dot previous page number. So we do not use that bracket. I think it works. Okay, let me refresh this. Okay, when I refresh, see on the corner both of them works. Okay, page 3, page 1, because we are in page 2. Obviously either it will in the when we click on the previous page, it will redirect us to the page 1. So here page 2 and the next will be page 3. Okay, here when we click on the previous, means it will redirect us to the page, well, page 1. Okay, we have seen this. It works very nice and it works very great. But what if I have like this, instead of this page, this question mark, this all the things, if I have this page 1, if I have like this, or page number 2, what happens? So let's try this thing. Either it works or not. Either we can have this or not. Okay, in the view we have all the things, and let's have this well, URL. Let's copy this path. The home will be same and everything will be same. I want to have the page, and in the page I want to have the integer, and the integer will be page number actually. So the home will be home, and the name of this route or this path will be same as home. Why I have like this? Because let me complete this part as well. I want to have a page here starting from page 1, an article list will be same, and the paginator will be like the same. And now we do not need this page. Okay, so this page will be this. So it reads the value from this. So now everything is clean, everything is, well, working. So it means that when we have the all pages, it will read this part, this path. So when we have specific page, so it will read from this path. Both of them are very, very clean. Now let's try. Okay, I want to have page 2. Yes, it works nice. But this buttons does not work as we want it, or as we want here, like now. So we want to make this buttons as well, like as previous, as next, all the things, instead of this, like this part, I want to use it like this. Articles dot, well, next page. Okay, no, these parts are not needed. Again here I want to have articles dot previous page number. Okay, these parts are not needed. Now it works fine. When I refresh, just see the corner, it works. Previous page, page number 1, and the next page will be page number 2, and the next page will be page number 3. It works very, very nice. I think everything is nice.